very quick video on the problems I had installing this because I didn't read the instructions. You should always read the instructions even if you've done many of these things before, but anyway, this is the product. These are the instructions, very small, fiddly, whatever. So fixed it to the ceiling, tried to get the thing working, did the test, nothing. Do not put a screwdriver in the little hole, even if you can't get the sound coming on. I did that. Went loose, rattly, basically knackered. Anyway, if you read the instructions like a normal person, it says put it on the base before you try and test it. Like this. I would say that sounds quite low, although it's working. Didn't even scare the dog. And the dog does bark if we burn popcorn or whatever, so she's pretty good at that sort of stuff. That's the little bit on the instructions that says put it on the base before you test it. If you want to cheat or try it before you put it on the base, you can just push that little thing in there at the back. If you've got a reasonably good grip, you can push that in and push the button in on the top and it will sound. Again, it's not much louder than that in real life.